Hey everyone, I'm Meg. I'm the owner and designer of St.Clair Designs, and today I'm going to give you a quick tour of my studio. So come on inside. Every day I am grateful for this space. My brother built this building for me about 2 years ago. It's located in my backyard. This huge piece right here stores all of my finished product and my shipping station. Over here is all of my different designs that are currently in process. They all end up having a name. Here's the raw materials, at least one of the places where I store that. One interesting thing I want to show you is every single design I have ever created is stored in one of these manila envelopes. So I want to show you what that looks like. When you spread it all out, this bag is called the Jade, and these are all of the pieces that go into making that item. As you all know, I love having every single different piece be a different fabric, and you can really kind of see how that works out here. Over here I have two of my favorite machines, my serger and then another beefy industrial one. Great place to store my fabric right here. This is my cloth cutting machine, which goes through about 1 inch of fabric. As any seamstress knows, these are very, very important tools, and especially the seam ripper. And then this is my favorite sewing space, my two very favorite machines that I use the most often. And you can see I'm in the work in progress of making some patty bags. Thanks for joining me today. Hope to see you soon.